How to trim and cut videos in Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So basically we're in this home section. Now here on the top, you can find this new project. Simply tap on new project and add the media that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. After you do this, we're in this editing platform. So this is the place where you can make different changes and edits in the video. Now, in order to split or cut, simply tap and hold onto the clip that you want to cut. So after doing this, you can simply place the cursor in a certain area and here on the left bottom, tap on split. So after doing this, the clip has been splitted. Now, in order to cut or make different other changes, you can simply drag it. So this will automatically decrease and you can easily edit it. At last, you can attach them and add different transitions too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.